Get curls back up. Fuck, we lost the back of the plane. We've lost the back of the plane. We lost it. There they go. No! No! Ah!
All right, you guys ready for this? Here we go.
Chat, when I told you that I was beating this game tonight, I fucking meant it. This is just Jack Black. Oh my god. We made Jack Black. Wait, I need to find Jack Black here. Didn't he used to have like wait. Oh my god. We made Jack Black. Dude, what am I doing? Ah! No! 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 Don't do this to me! Please, no! I want this so bad! And there they go, they hit the ground. The plane crash. There goes Soup. Oh my god. There's Soup. There's Soup.
Come on with these taters. Taters taking up too much of my goddamn time, chat. Maybe the potatoes were a bad idea. Who knows, you know?
We are mammals. Because we don't lay eggs. Because we have mammaries. Oh, okay. Oh. Mammaries are boobs. That's me. I had just finished my freshman year of college. Do I look the same? How do I look? I want this sweatshirt in real life. I want people to look at me wearing this sweatshirt and think that like I am like unhinged and patchwork built this sweatshirt to fit my body, and if they talk to me, I'm gonna start snarling at them. You know what I mean?
Check this out. I got my rice.
All right. Just as the real girl do. It's very decompressive and relaxative. You guys, if you ever were wondering what I look for in a girl, I look for girls who are decompressive and relaxative. Congratulations. Congratulations. 172 minutes. Go! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Come on! That's what I wanted!